Alright, now because of this square root, you are going to square both sides to clear this square root. You are going to have 9 power of x all squared, right, is equal to the square root of 3 to the power of the root of x all squared. Now, this square root cancel out this square. 2 times x will give you 2x. You are going to have 9 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power of the root of x. Okay, now let's express 9 in the same base of this. We are going to have 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So this 2 times 2x, you are going to have 4x equal to 3 to the power of the root of x. Let's apply this law. If you have a to the power of b equal to a to the power of c, this implies that b is equal to c from the law of indices. So we can equate the powers as 4x equal to the root of x because the bases are the same. Now whenever you have a square root, square both sides to get rid of this square root. Okay, now you are going to have, if you square this side and you also square this side, now we see that the square root will cancel out the square. Now these two affect both 4 and x. So 4 squared is 4 times 4, which gives you 16, and x to the power of 2 is x squared. So you're going to have 16x squared, right, is equal to x. Now let's move x to the left hand side and equate it to 0. Okay, because x cannot be in both sides, but you're looking for x, it cannot work. So you must move x to one side and equate the raised to 0. Share and follow us. Now we are going to have 16x squared. When this cross over this equal sign, you're going to have minus x, equate this to 0. Okay, now the common factor here is x. So we can say that x will factorize 16x minus 1 equal to what? 0. Because this is x times 16x will give you 16x squared, x times 1 will give you x. So when you have something like this, it is either x equal to 0 or 16x minus 1 equal to 0. At first, let's find the first value, which is x1, which is equal to 0. For 16x minus 1, 16x minus 1 is equal to 0. Move minus 1 to the right hand side. I'm going to have 16x is equal to 1. If you divide both sides by 16 and divide this side by 16, this cancels out. So x is equal to 1 over 16. So this is the final answer. 1 over 16 is the answer to this exponential equation. Share and follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tips like this.